Hello everyone and welcome to this episode. Today we're going to be making rolled enchiladas. They are bean, spinach, and mushroom enchiladas with sour cream chili sauce. You're going to love it. Let's try not to overthink it. It's basically a tortilla, some fillings, some sauce, and some cheese. So let's get started. Let's look at our ingredients. So first of all, we're going to start with spinach. Yay, very easy because they're spinach and bean enchiladas. I had these beans in the freezer, some plant-based cheese of choice, some shiitake mushrooms. Any mushrooms will do. I just had these ready to go. You're going to need a jalapeno that is minced. And I use better than broth bouillon. You can use whatever not chicken broth you want to use. And these are the ingredients for the sauce. This is a 4-ingredient sauce of Mayoka's mozzarella, liquid, tofutti, sour cream, almond milk, and Herdez guacamole sauce. There are no product endorsements. This is just what I have on hand. You can use something that is similar. This is a dump sauce, so you're going to just put it in a saucepan and let it heat away. Stir well with a whisk and make sure it's well blended. Keep it warm while you're waiting on making the rest of the ingredients. Next, we're making the filling. You're going to put some oil in a pan, then you're going to add a little bit of butter. That's a Julia Child technique. You're going to add your aromatics, so some garlic and some shallots. Then you're going to add in your mushrooms and saute away. Alternatively, you can put a lid on your skillet and let the mushrooms release their moisture. But in the end, you want them to look something like this. Aren't they beautiful? You're going to add in those jalapenos and you're going to add in your spinach and about a teaspoon of the not chicken broth. Add in about a 1/4 cup of water and you're going to turn up the heat, put a lid on, and let that spinach melt away. So you all know that 6 cups of spinach melts down to braises down to about 1/4 cup of spinach, but it is what it is. Hopefully it will wind up looking something like this, and then you will put the beans in. Add in about a 1/4 cup of the sauce just for a thickener, and is that not luscious? I could literally just eat that with a spoon, but we're going to make enchiladas, so let's get rolling. Take your tortilla, spray it with some Pam, put it into a preheated skillet, and cook it nice and brown on both sides. Again, you don't want to overcook because we have to roll them. So make sure they are nice and pliable and keep them warm in the oven. You will take one tortilla, put it in your dish, put some filling on the inside, and wrap it in a trifold like an envelope. Feel free to use some sauce as a glue on one end so that they wind up looking like this. Isn't that lovely? Now you're going to take your sauce, pour it on, top with some vegan cheese of choice. That's definitely optional. Pop it in the oven, bake it at 400 just until nice and bubbly. I was testing a lot of these, so I'm sharing a lot of pictures. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure and give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, because there are more short videos to come. Again, so don't overthink enchiladas. It's a filling, it's a tortilla, it's some sauce and some cheese, and you bake it, and aren't these just fabulous? These are so easy and company worthy. So thanks for joining, and let's just eat more plants.